Crash courses. Today's crash course is on avalanches. Sweet jabby dabby, look at that snow go.
An avalanche is the sudden rush of a large amount of snow, ice, or rocks down a mountain.
Well, someone's been reading the dictionary. Well done. But to really understand an avalanche, you have to be at one with the snow.
No, you don't, sir.
Yes, you do.
You don't.
You do.
Don't.
Do. Glad we agree. Back to the snow and my protective suit. I bet you're wondering what this cord is for.
Not really, sir.
Well, let's just say it's part of an advanced technological breakthrough in avalanche protection. Patent pending, of course. But first, today's Fast Facts. Fact number 1. An avalanche happens when a large mass of snow slides down the side of a mountain. Number 2. Avalanches can move as fast as 80 miles an hour. And number 3. Sometimes it's possible to predict when avalanches might happen, but individual avalanches are not predictable.
Sir, do you see how dangerous that is?
Extremely. Ta-ta! Here I am on top of a snowy mountain waiting for an avalanche. Still waiting. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Still waiting. You're right, Sandra. Enough waiting. Commence demonstration mode. Step 1, activate the protection suit. Step 2, I will now hurl myself down the mountain. Here we go.
See how gentle my descent is.
Doesn't hurt one bit. I'm okay. Uh-oh. Well, that went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir.